Good morning, children. Today we'll start with sample problem 1, that is page 328. I'll explain, and this you don't have to memorize, but you have to understand it. First, please turn page 328 and read the first question. Okay, I'll read out the question. Question sample 1. The atomic number of nitrogen and phosphorus are 7 and 15 respectively. Write the electronic configuration of each of them and state to which group and period they belong. We have to know which group they belong and which period they belong. Okay, first here, nitrogen have 7 and phosphorus has 15. We already know that one. Nitrogen in gas cell, it have 2 and L cell 2 plus 5 is 7. Here L cell and there is no more here. And what about this phosphorus? Phosphorus, the first gas cell will have 2 and second 8. And the third 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Here let me explain a little bit. Gas cell can accommodate only 2 electrons here. And the next cell can have 8. Here, since it have 7, the first it will be 2 and second 5, then total it become 7. The second, this phosphorus, the first cell, gas cell will have 2 and L cell will have 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And the last one, the remaining 5 will be in the M cell because it cannot have more than 8 here. The same way, this gas cell cannot have more than 2. Because of that, the remaining will go to L. Here, same thing, phosphorus, it can accommodate only 2. Because of that, the remaining will go here. And the second cell can accommodate only 8. Because of that, the remaining will go here. And now from here what you can see is this the outermost cell for nitrogen is L cell. For nitrogen the outermost is L, and for phosphorus the outermost cell is M cell. Keep in mind this. And now valence electron for nitrogen is 5 and valence electron phosphorus is 5 here. If you observe carefully, what is valence electron? The electron present in the outermost cell. Here nitrogen have only 2 cells, that is it have only 2 cells, K cell and L cell. In L cell there are 5 electrons, that is the valence electron. And phosphorus have 3 cells, K cell, L cell and M cell. M cell it have 5 electrons. This is the valence electron. We know that both of them, they have this 5 electron in the outermost cell. Now which group they belong, we have to think. First, on moving across, on moving in a group from left to right, the number of electrons in the valence cell increases from 1 to 8. That's what we already learned. We already know that we have 18 groups here. 18 group 1, group 2, group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. On moving from left to right, then the valency increases. We know that this that means here this is 1 valency group, this is 2 valency group, and this portion we will not study, that's I already tell you. And this will be 3 valency group and 4 valency group and 5 valency group. Exactly here, our destination here. The valence electron, they have 1 valence electron, 2 valence electron, 3 valence electron, 4 valence electron, 5 valence electron, 6 valence electron, 7 valence electron, and 8 valence electron here. Here, both of them, they are in this group. They have 5 valence electron. That means they are in the 5th group. In the 5th group, 15. Once again, 1 valence electron group, 2 valence electron group, 3 valence electron group, 4 valence electron group, 5 valence electron group, 6 valence electron group, 7 valence electron group, and 8 valence electron group. All this group, they have the same valence electron. We already know the number of valence electron remain the same as one move down the group. That we have. That means we know that it have valence electron 1 here. That means all these also 1 valence electron. This will be 2 valence electron, 3 valence electron, 4 valence electron, 5 valence electron, 6 valence electron, 7 valence electron, 8 valence electron. From here, what you can see is this nitrogen, it have 5 valence electron. That means in group 15. And phosphorus also 5 valence electron, that also it remain in group 15. Both of them are in group 15. That means both of them, this nitrogen belong to group 15. Nitrogen and this phosphorus also it belong to group 15. What about the periods, in which period they belong? Now we will check again based on your textbook. You can turn page 324. From there, in the explanation, as one move down the group, an electron cell is added after every period. In the next page also you can see that as one move down the group, the electron cell is added after every period. And in number 5 also you can see that as one move down the group, the number of electron cell go increasing. Keeping in mind those 3 points, you can see here, this is K cell, L cell and M cell. The cell keep increasing. That means here, this first period have only 1 cell, that is hydrogen. And second have 2 cells. This group have only 2 cells, and this have 3 cells, 4 cells, 5 cells, 6 cells, 7 cells. Once again, this will have only, group 1 will have only 1 cell. Group 2, 2 cell means group 2. 3 cell means group 3. 4 cell means like this. We can check in which group they, in which period they belong. Okay, here in the first period, this is the first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period, and we have 7th period. All those elements in the first period will have only 1 cell, valence cell, that is K cell, and those who are in this second period will have that 2, that is K, L, M. The cell will increase like this. That means from here, what can we see here? The first group, this the first period will have only 1 cell here. That means hydrogen and helium will have only 1 cell, that is K cell. And the second here, the second period, first period K cell, second period will have 2 cell, that is the 2 cell, that is L cell. Here let me explain like this. It have only 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, 4, 5. The cell will increase as we move down like this. The cell will increase 1 cell, first period, and second period 2 cell, third period 3 cell, fourth period 4 cell, like this. It will be easier for you to understand. The first will have here K cell, that means only 1 cell, and L cell, 2 cell. It will have, all this will have 2 cell, including neon, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. They'll have 2 cell, and all this group will have 3 cell again. All this group will have 4 cell. All this group means this period will have 5 cells, 6 cell. As we move down, the cell increases. Only 1 cell, that means first period, second period 2 cell, third period 3 cell, fourth period 4 cell. Once again, First period will have 1 cell, second period will have 2 cell, third period will have 3 cell. Like this, the cell increasing as we move down. Therefore, here, if you look carefully here again, nitrogen K and L, K cell, L cell. That means it's in the second here. That means in the second period. K cell, first period, L cell, second period, M cell, third period. We can think like this. Because the first one have only 1 cell. First period have only 1 cell, second period have 2 cell, third period have 3 cell. We can think like this as this is the first period, this is the second period, and this is the third period. Therefore, it's very easy after you write out this one. Then nitrogen belong to second period because they have 2 cell. This last thing is this is the first cell. K cell is the first period, L cell is the second period, and M cell is the third period. As we move down here, the cell increases 1, 2 cell group, 3 cell, 4 cell. Therefore, nitrogen belong to which period? First period and second period. And same way, phosphorus belong to third period here. Nitrogen belong to second, and phosphorus belong to third period. That means you will see nitrogen here in the second period, and phosphorus will be in this here in this line. I hope that it's clear.